Today we are going to solve the problem find the missing number in the array. What is the problem here given? Given an array nums. An array is given, the name is nums. It contains n distinct numbers in the range 0 to n. The array contains n distinct number means different numbers. The numbers are not repeated in the array. It contains in the range of 0 to n. For example, we have the n equal to 5 means 0. The number starts from 0 till ends to 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the numbers. The numbers are given in that range and return the only number. What we are going to return is return the only number in the range that is missing from the array. For example, just now I tell that 0 to 5 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this range of number, any number is missed. For example, 3 is missed means 0, 1, 2, 4, 5. The array is given. We have to find the missing number from the array. Here it is given an example. For example, it is an array. It starts from 0, 1, 2 is missing and 3 is there. And we have to find the missing number in the array. So that is the output is 2. And in this problem, what is the input here given is an integer array. An output we are going to get is the number which is missing from the array. Input is an integer array, output is an integer. And how we solve this problem? Let's see. Now we think of the logic. This is a number ranges from 0 to n. The n is the number of elements in the array. We can say in this array it is a number of elements in the array, and the one element that is missed from the array. How we find that the missed element? In this we can use bitwise XOR, because bitwise XOR cancels the same number from the two array. For example, if you are comparing the two numbers, if we XOR the same number means the output will be 0. Same, that means A XOR A equal to 0, 1 XOR 1 equal to 0. That is the same number, same element, we XOR it, we will get 0. Using this logic, we find the missing number. Let's see how we apply it. Now we have to initialize the missing number as 0. First int missing number is mn, we declare, and it is equal to 0. First we initialize this, and we have to loop for 0 to n. N is the number size, that means num size. Because n is the num size, that is the total number of element in the array. In the total number of element, any particular element is missed. So n is the num size, that is the array size. So we have to loop through every element. So for int I equal to 0, its index starts from 0, and we have to run through the num size. Till num size we have to run. We have to I increment that. For example, if the given range is 5 means 0 to 5 means it runs from 0 till 5 it runs. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It runs from 0 till 5, the loop will be get run. And what we have to do is we have to XOR the previous mn value with the I, that is I value. And we have to update it in the mn. That is mn xr equal to I means mn equal to mn xr I. This is the short form of this. We have to XOR the missing number with the every I value, and we have to update it in the mn. And in the next loop, we have to run through the every element in the array. That is a given array. In that we have to use from I less than num size only, because index value starts from 0. So for example, the given input is given num size is 5 means we have to run from 0 to 4 only. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means 5 elements are there, but the loop runs from 0 to 4 only. So we have to run through less than num size, I less than num size, and we have to increment the I value. And then here we have to update the mn value by XORing the element in the array. Here we XOR the I value with the mn, initial mn value, and we update for every I value. With the updated mn value, we XOR the every element in the array. Here what happens means, the same element from this loop value, here it comes here means if it XOR the same value means the result will be 0. It get cancelled. The missing value only will be displayed here. Missing value only left here, because it starts from 0 to range value, that is n. Here we run the loop from 0 to less than num size, that is the every element. We run the loop from 0th index of the array to less than num size. In the array, there is one number is missing from the range. That one number missing from the range only will be left in the mn value. So if we XOR it, the missing value will be found. And finally, after the loop, we return the mn value. Now we'll run this. Sorry, 7 minutes.